Hi guys, today we will discuss a different topic. Why is TikTok so popular? Now, many of you would have heard about TikTok, but you may not know the immense popularity that it enjoys among the youth. So, today we will explore what led to the explosion of popularity of TikTok and what does the future hold for TikTok. So, first, let's look at the various social media platforms and their logos that will give us a clue about the astrological intricacies of these platforms. Let's look at Facebook first. You can see a clear blue logo with a F which is in white. Now, as we all know, blue is the color of Saturn. So Facebook is ruled by Saturn. What does Saturn indicate? Consistency, long-term vision, long-term growth. So Facebook platform is here to stay, guys. It is for the long run. Now let's look at Instagram. Instagram has many colors, and it has a logo of a photo camera. So this represents Venus. Multiple colors are represented by Venus. Photo or camera, it is represented by Venus. Moving on to WhatsApp. A vibrant green color with a icon of a phone. So that is clear-cut case of Mercury. So WhatsApp is ruled by Mercury. Now let's look at the logo of TikTok. Now as you can see, it has a distinct black background with multiple colors, white, then a slight greenish tinge and a slight red color. And you can see the logo is kind of shifted, so it creates an illusion of movement. So this is a typical Rahu driven icon. So as we explore further, TikTok is ruled by Rahu, and I will tell you the secrets that it entails. So what is Rahu? Rahu is hypnotism, short attention span, artificial intelligence, illusion. So can you now see how beautifully Rahu plays into or fits into the story of TikTok? So TikTok is all about creating 15 seconds to 60 seconds short videos and hypnotizing the audience. Like not exactly hypnotizing, but enthralling the audience and addicting them to stay on the platform, keep on browsing the videos. That's the USP of TikTok. So TikTok in its current form was launched on 2nd August 2018 when it acquired Musical.ly, and basically it shut down Musical.ly and created a new app and launched it across the world as TikTok. So 2nd August 2018 is the birth of TikTok in practical terms. I am taking Karka Lagna because Rahu is in Karka, and as we saw, Rahu has a huge influence on TikTok. So this is the basic chart of TikTok with Karka Lagna, Meen Rashi, Rahu, Buddha and Ravi in the Lagna, or Rahu, Mercury and Sun in the Lagna. 4th house has Jupiter, 3rd house has Venus, Saturn sits in the 6th house, Ketu and Mars in the 7th house, and Moon is sitting in the 9th house. So now let's look at why is it gaining so much popularity? Why is TikTok getting so much popular, especially among the youngsters? So we can see 11th Lord Venus is sitting in 3rd house of communication. Now 3rd house has Virgo in it. Now as you all know, Virgo is a sign of young, maiden, or we can say young people, innocent people. It has a rustic beauty to it. It has a rustic innocence attached to it. Now, if you join the dots, who are the people who are on this platform? Youngsters, teenagers, people from small towns, small villages. They have been attracted to this platform because of the position of Venus in the third house of TikTok. Now let's look at Jupiter. Jupiter is the sixth lord and ninth lord sitting in fourth house. So what does that mean? It means very interesting thing. People will collaborate, or youngsters to say will collaborate with their elders and their competition. It's a very interesting platform. On YouTube, I haven't seen that many collaborations, with your competitors or with your elders. But on TikTok, you will find many videos wherein two competitors, two creators come together and create a single video for the benefit of both of them. That's a unique thing. Let's look at Saturn, very important planet. He is the eighth lord sitting in sixth house. So it creates what we call in Jyotish Viparit Raj Yoga. What does that mean? So the success of that platform will happen only after pressures and losses. So as we all know, TikTok faced huge pressures from government. It was practically shut down last year, but it rose again because there is a Viparit Raj Yoga, guys, and when it came back with a bang. Now Saturn sitting in sixth house is also the seventh lord. Who is seventh house? Seventh house is the house of the users, the creators and the consumers. So what will happen basically is their creators will become its enemy. I mean, the creators will become TikTok's enemy. So why was TikTok banned in the first place? Because some people were putting in some negative kind of videos which gained popularity. It was against the norms of the country. So basically the users themselves became the enemy of this platform. Mars now is in the seventh house. It's an interesting position. It's the fifth lord sitting in seventh house. So basically people will be interested in entertainment and romantic kind of content. So that's where most of the creators will focus their attention on. Let's look at the current planetary situation. Jupiter is sitting in the sixth house. It's not a very favorable position for Jupiter to be sitting in. So making money from TikTok is going to be a challenge to some extent. Once it enters Capricorn in November 2020, that's when money will start flowing in. That's when also in September 2020, Rahu will come into the 11th house of gains. So the chart will have double support from Rahu and Jupiter in terms of making money. But the one problem would be Saturn sitting in the seventh house. So that will entail problems from the law. So it won't be that everything will be positive and everything would be shiny and glorious. There will be problems, but good thing is Jupiter and Rahu will be supporting from fame, from money perspective. One interesting aspect of Saturn coming in the seventh house of TikTok will mean some older people now will get attracted to this platform. I mean older in the sense middle age or those kind of demographics will now get attracted to this platform. So it is very evident that this will be a very interesting platform and it will be a very successful platform. But there is one caveat here. Rahu's success is not permanent. Unless the creator's chart has strong Saturn influence, Rahu's success will be very temporary. So basically it will be a fleeting success. It will be a tough task to maintain the success. So who will be popular on this platform? There are 2 points that I would like to highlight. Presentable and attractive creators will have an immense edge on this platform. See, the knowledge or any intellectual kind of stuff will not get much attention on this platform. The reason being Venus in the 3rd house of Virgo that I already mentioned. So attractive personalities, presentable personalities will have an immense edge on this platform. And again, the age also will be important, because see, the Virgo sign, that means only young people usually will get immense success on this platform. Also creative people, again, as we all know, Venus is creativity. So creativity, luxury, any creators who give a sense of luxury, going to exotic locations, those kind of creators will get an immense edge on this platform. Guys, that was my astrological analysis of TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this different topic. Subscribe to my channel to get astrological analysis on such various different topics. Till we meet again, thank you and goodbye.